Hi everyone.
Hello.
Hope you all are good today. So today I am going to take you. So today Tia will tell that where we are going. Hi. Tell Tia where we are going today. Cyber Hub in Gurgaon. So it is also a famous place. So I'm going to take you there. So stay tuned with us. Bye bye. So this red and white one is the Airtel building. This one is the Airtel building. That one. You can see from there.
Just beside that we have Nagaro.
And this is Google building here. This one is Google office here. This building. Yeah, this is 32 Avenue.
पुराने ऑफिस में तिरंगे की उसको
Here you
सजाया
can see Star.
एक पुराने ऑफिस में तिरंगा बना रखा है
Yes, and here they decorated it. Yes, tomorrow is India's Independence Day, so everywhere you will find this theme.
देख कितना अच्छा लग रहा है
Here all the companies, MNC companies are here. Here actually you will find many MNC companies in Gurgaon. So here we are going. This is called Cyber Hub, where we are going now. So this is how it looks like. These all buildings are MNC companies.
ये सामने
Yes. So this is the landmark building,
शिप
boat shape building. I don't know if you're able to see or not. This was also made by DLF, and so many years back this was the landmark for Gurgaon. Now we're gonna enter in Cyber Hub. So here you will find everything. So this is Cyber Hub, guys. One of the famous place to visit in Gurgaon, and if you are visiting India, then must do visit this place. You can see here. You will find entertainment here, everything, food, restaurant, and malls also. Everything you can see there. PVR is there, and you can see. So guys, this is Cyber Hub. As you can see the beautiful buildings over here, and it is a unique idea actually. Here you will get a premium food, entertainment, retail destination, and however it is the ambience that makes Cyber Hub an unparalleled experience and an ideal destination for stepping out. Art and cultural shows you will get here. So this is Cyber Hub. So here you can park your car and then you can choose where you can go. So park a car here. So this was the boat-shaped building I was showing you before. Yeah. are traveling to Gurgaon or you are coming to India, then please do visit this place to enjoy with your family. You have to park your car and then you can enter here. So it's like this. You have to enter. This is a happening place. People come here with their family, their friends, and mostly you will see young couples over here. Many dining facilities are here. Say hi, Shweta, Sia, Mohit. So this is a happening place. You will find all youngster over here. It's a good place to visit.
पड़री कैफे
Huh?
फेमस अभी कौन सी मूवी है?
This is a very famous cafe. One Bollywood picture. Which picture name? Tu Jhooti Main Makkar picture shooting was done here inside this cafe, which is in Cyber Hub. So this is a place where you can come. They have many cafe over here. Nice cafe they decorated. So you can come here. This is a pan corner. If you are pan lover, then you can come and have your. So if you are a pan lover, so come at this place. We're gonna have sweet pan. So this is how they make pan. They have different spices over here. And this is the process how they make pan. This is, I think, coconut, grated coconut, then something, I don't know what all is adding into this. So they have variety of pan. This is for sweetness, I think he's putting. Yeah.
Yummy!
All are waiting here for their pan. This is how they wrap the pan, and this is how they serve.
It's for you and your mama.
How is it? Yummy? No, मैं खा रही हूँ. How is it? Nice? Now give me my. This one is for me. This is for Mama. You already have. Very nice, chill, grill. There are many options for you. You can choose any option from here. You can just
Come and hold my hand. Hold my hand.
So here many will find here many restaurants. Where we are going? Which place? Okay. So here you have many options where to go. So here you will find Tim Horton also. I'll show you from here. And this is a big brand in Canada. So this is also here. You can see here. This is Tim Hortons. Yes, I know. Wait. And here you will find everything. Theme restaurant also here. So it is a happening place. Food and theme restaurant. You will find NMC companies over here. All the brand showrooms over here. Everything is here. So it's a good place to visit and must visit place in Gurgaon. If you are in India, you should come here and enjoy and experience this. So we are just exploring this. I am showing you from each and every corner, so you will get an idea how Cyber Hub is. But it's wow, actually. You can spend hours here without any doubt. It's a happening place. Okay, so this one is one Plaka restaurant, which is very famous, and the chef is very famous here. Ajay Chopra. So many people are coming here also to just taste the dishes over here. This one is a very famous restaurant. So you have place to visit if you have time. You can come here and enjoy. We are still deciding where we will have our dinner. So let's see where we will have. sweating like anything. So this is the Nando's restaurant, and I heard that this restaurant is a good restaurant. So finally we have decided where to go. So let's see how it is. नहीं बहुत है श्वेता.
Yeah.
What is that?
These are veggies. Do you want veggies?
I will have. So the food was very delicious inside this Nando's restaurant. So I must say that if you are looking for authentic non-vegetarian food, you must come here and have their food. So here Cyber Hub is written, and you never see this place empty. Everybody wants to click picture over here. This is Cyber Hub, a must visit place for each and everyone if you want to explore different kinds of culture, food, and you want to see big amenities and big companies. You must come here. So bye everyone. Hope you like this vlog. So bye everyone. Hope you like this vlog. See you in the next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye.